DJ Messina here, DREC Construction Services at our La Mirada project. Garage conversion and a 100 square foot addition onto the side. So we got all our demo completed. All of our verticals for our drains are installed and ready for inspection. And we have our footings dug for the inspection, our gravel down. We're installing the rebar today, and this part should be ready for inspection soon. And then tomorrow we'll be drilling all of our hold downs all the way across and have our epoxy inspection. So just another process of building your ADU. So for all your ADU needs, please hit like and subscribe and give us a call, 800-929-9812. And remember, refer a friend, refer a family member, refer a client, and put $2,500 right in your pocket. Thank you.